It is not difficult to explain what a concrete pump truck is used for. It is a mobile device that provides the supply of freshly prepared concrete from a concrete mixer truck to the place where the mixture is to be deposited. The pipeline system and the concrete distribution boom can move the concrete mixture vertically and horizontally while maintaining it in a usable state. The boom of the concrete pump has a rotary mechanism that provides it with 360 degrees rotation. This allows to quickly and accurately pour the mixture to the right spot. In other words, the concrete pump truck can be considered as a complex of mechanisms installed on the chassis of trucks. In our case, PUTZMEISTER specialists installed a new concrete pump on a new Volvo chassis exclusively for the Vilazh company. Vilazh works with the best and most reliable manufacturers. Think about it, construction sites differ from one another, so only those individuals who keep abreast of new trends in the construction industry and regularly upgrade their equipment will be able to solve any problems anywhere.